It's a snow day. We're not going riding. It's Saturday, so it's really not a snow day. Saturday, snow day. Probably recognize that garage. Got a helmet. We're going sledding. Location scouting. Not enough snow, but maybe you could Photoshop some. You just checked your watch. You don't even have a watch.
You're speaking to yourself. Did you say that?
I just caught that in my mouth. I promise.
No.
It's on film. We got it.
Coffee Emporium. That's good.
So you remember that ride in the snow that was supposed to happen? Probably look around. After a coffee. No snow. Going to a motorcycle show for probably 30 minutes.
You
Yep.
said you wanted to be there for an hour. We could be here for an hour.
We could be here for an hour, see some bikes, and drink a beer. Here we go. Garagebrewed. So that was almost the Yamaha logo that I put on my bike.
It's retro.
Super retro. Didn't look good though. I have that bike. It's black though, not orange. Should I restore it? That's the question. Re-restore it. It's been sitting for like 2 years. So that was Garagebrewed. I just stuck them up. I almost fell. This is in reverse. Going backwards. We couldn't vote because we didn't have any pins. We didn't see any other pins. So we were going to use eyeliner, but writing your email address in eyeliner,
It's a waste.
waste. So we're droning right now. It's kind of windy. No bikes today. We had some beers. Saw some cool bikes. You gonna tell us saying goodbye? See ya. Those hand warmers, much needed. It's about a 0-degree day today. That was my rural bike, rural. It's made for the rural parts of Ohio, but I don't know, that's it. So this guy's trying to get somebody towed. Clearly he can get out, he's got this much space.
Let's go!
Since I'm wearing them right now, what motorcycle pants am I always wearing? I always get asked this. That would be these guys. Uglybros. These are the Motor Pool Dash K Kevlar. Stylish, kind of definitely look like the motorcycle pant for sure. They don't really blend in like a jean. This isn't really a moto blog because I'm driving in a car right now, but hope to get out, drive soon, ride soon, and not hit a semi-truck right now. Really close, really close. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but it is snowing. Back from motorcycle show, Garagebrewed. It's about 100 bikes, I'd say, and you vote for your favorite. About to get some coffee, change, get out of these motorcycle pants. The Uglybros, probably have a beer, watch some fight night. No motor ride today. That's it.